สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe today let's cook some spicy dish with chicken spicy but sweet at the same time this is typical of middle of Thailand the name is Gai Pad Med Mamuang Gai means chicken Pad means stir fry Med Mamuang means cashew nut are you ready let's go bell pepper, onion, chili paste, sugar, deep fried flour, dry chili, garlic, cashew nut, green onion, chicken, oyster sauce, soybean sauce, soy sauce, cooking oil. I will start with vegetable first and since they have a lot of fly here and they like meat, so I got something for them. Mix with flour. Deep fry the chili to make it crispy. Now that we finished deep fried chicken and chili, let's cook everything together. Add garlic. Add onion. Add bell pepper. Two tablespoons of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of mushroom sauce, soy sauce. Some soybean sauce. 3 teaspoons of chili paste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add cashew nuts. Add crispy dry chili. Add chicken. Last step, green onion. And turn off the heat. Look like my cameraman, since he took a crispy dry chili, suddenly he just hiccup. Very noob. At first bite, you can taste sweetness, and then all the bell pepper, cashew nuts, even chicken is so crunchy. I really like it. And if you think it's not spicy enough for you, I recommend this. You just put in your mouth, and then you will know what is spicy means. But for me, it's nothing. Yeah, it's like crunchy. Yeah. I really like it, no? I have a name of this dish. It's kind of crunchy combo. Everything is crunchy and crispy. I like it. Oh yeah, I think I'm a bit spicy now. I'm better than my cameraman, you know, because since he took just a little one like this, and then he it means it's very spicy for him. I will not give you just chili, okay? I will give you everything. It's too spicy. I will ruin my boyfriend's stomach. Oh, you dropped one crispy chili.
It's really good. And it's not that spicy. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. You know it tonight, Annie. Wow, you better.
Yeah, no. It is spicy. You have the aftertaste. Like when you eat it, you have more kind of the sweetness, and when you finish, then the spiciness comes. But it's not too spicy. It's just right. Perfect.
And voila! Bon appetit! See, acted strong in front of the camera, but trust me, it's spicy. Yet, as I said, it's also sweet, which is why it's not my favorite kind of food. I'm more salty and sour person. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the video and click the notification bell. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย Today, let's cook some. Oh, sorry. Today, let's cook some spicy with. Then I will know what is wrong, what you don't like, and then.
That's the problem. Then I have nothing to put on the end screen because you made no mistake today.